let me ask you straight, Jayanti, you know, the Congress party seems to be in total denial about what most people, Jayanti, see as the reason behind this tremendous victory of Jayalalitha. Not just anti-incumbency, but a rejection of a party widely perceived to be corrupt. A party which you continued to do business with, though your cadre was against the coalition. Will you take a refreshingly different position on this issue?
Arnab, first I'd like to convey the sincere congratulations of my party to the leader of the AIADMK and the entire party for their success, and also wish them well in the government that they are going to form. We on our part will certainly introspect on the reason why we've not performed as well as we have expected. We certainly did not expect this level of a defeat in terms of the trends that are coming. Having said that, I'd like to say that I totally disagree with what you said, that first we have to understand that there is always an issue of anti-incumbency. Without taking away in any way from whatever victory the AIADMK has, there is always an anti-incumbency in Tamil Nadu. The government in power is always voted out. Number two, the UPA government has always acted on corruption. Today you find a DMK minister in jail, in Tihar jail. No other government has actually done that. No other government actually acts on corruption charges. And number three, unless the percentage of votes comes in, unless the difference in the percentage actually comes in, you will not be able to see how exactly the parties have performed. We certainly believe that the people have spoken. We don't grudge the AIADMK their victory. We wish them well. However, the fact remains that this government, the DMK government, has done remarkably well on welfare schemes. So we need to see what the vote percentages are.
You know, you're trying to fine-tune it, you know, to make it look a little bit favorable to you. You didn't answer my question at all, Jayanti, but let me get Dr. Maitriyan in so that, you know, I can get the both of you to discuss this very important issue. Dr. Maitriyan, Arnab here, can you hear me? Yes. Did you hear what Jayanti Natarajan said? My question to her was on the issue of corruption being one of the reasons why the Jayalalitha has got such a massive victory. Do you believe 2G, corruption, the perceived corruption, the corrupt acts, Kanimodi, A. Raja, all of this had an impact on the voters' mind?
Definitely so, definitely so. The verdict given by the electorate of Tamil Nadu is a positive mandate for Dr. Purashi Thalaivi Amma, and it's a total rejection of the one family domination by Karunanidhi. And people have clearly given their verdict. The writing is on the wall. People of Tamil Nadu, they have not forgotten the 2G, they have not forgotten the humongous corruption, not only by the central ministers of DMK, but also by the state cabinet ministers. So the writing is on the wall. It is for the Congress to read that.
Dr. Maitriyan, I remember very clearly that in an interview to Times Now, at the height of the 2G controversy, your leader offered to support the Congress party at the centre. Do you feel that could have been the turning point had the Congress party taken up the offer?
Well, at that time, in a particular context, Madam made that offer. Much water has flown after that. People of Tamil Nadu have rejected the DMK Congress alliance in Tamil Nadu. Virtually they have been wiped out. So now we'll have to see how things evolve.
What did the Congress party gain, Jayanti, by backing...
You have to repeat, the audio is really bad. I can't hear what you're saying.
What did the Congress party gain by backing the DMK after the corruption charges?
What does the Congress party gain?
Yes.
I'm afraid I'm not
able to hear the DMK after the corruption charges.
I'm not able to hear what you're saying.
I'll try and repeat myself. What did the Congress party gain by backing the DMK after the 2G scam?
By staying with the DMK. Are you saying what do we gain by staying with the DMK?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, no, the fact of the matter is that we are a coalition. It is a democracy where coalitions happen and are formed on principles and ideology, and we stay together. We will have to introspect on the reasons why we've lost. You don't leave a party or a coalition and break it up because you've lost an election or because you've won an election. We will certainly have to go into the reasons and study the factors. If they were local factors, I would be very, very interested later on this evening. I'm going to be on your channel again to see what the margins are, to see what the vote percentages are, and then we'll be able to analyze better what reason exactly the sweep of the ADMK has been brought about.